2018 will be remembered as the year of marriages in Bollywood. If we talk about notable marriages, then this year Sonam Kapoor and Deepika Padukone made headlines with their marriages. It seems that the marriage of Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli in December 2017 has set in a new trend. It looks like that Bollywood film stars are getting impatient to tie the knot. However, these days the marriage of Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas is in the news. We keep our viewers informed about all the happenings in Bollywood and India. If you like to know more about the happenings, gossip and unknown secrets of Bollywood, then subscribe our channel. We will bring you regular updates about Bollywood celebrities. Priyanka Chopra is back from her second honeymoon in 2018. On Wednesday, December 19, 2018, she threw a party for family and friends. On December 20, 2018, another party for Bollywood stars and friends is expected. If we look at the events followed by the marriage of Priyanka Chopra, it appears that she is very happy with her marriage, and she likes to celebrate every moment she can manage for this celebration. She likes to display her affection and love for her new husband. And, of course, she does not forget to share it with her fans. The marriage of Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas was quite an extravaganza. The couple tied the knot on 2 December 2018 in Taj Ahmed Bhawan Palace in Jodhpur, India. The palace is the home of former royal family of Jodhpur. Around 200 guests attended the marriage ceremony. As Priyanka follows Hinduism and Nick Jonas is a Christian, the marriage ceremony took place in line with Hindu and Christian traditions. On December 4, Priyanka Chopra threw a party in Delhi, where Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, was amongst the guests to give the newlywed couple his blessings. Then, newlywed couple attend the pre-wedding ceremony of Isha Ambani and Anand Piramal in Udaipur, Rajasthan, India. Then Indian actress and American singer left for Oman to celebrate their second honeymoon in 2018. Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas came back in India on December 18. They organized a party for their family and friends in Mumbai on Wednesday. On Thursday, the evening of 20th December, another party for Bollywood co-stars and friends is to be organized. We will share the pictures and videos of this ceremony as early as images and videos are out there. To know more who attended the party of Priyanka Chopra, subscribe our channel to know it first. Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas are expected to celebrate the arrival of New Year 2019 in Switzerland. The couple will jet off on 28th of December for Switzerland to celebrate the arrival of New Year in Geneva, a beautiful city of Switzerland. Can we call it the third honeymoon of the couple in 2018? Does it look like that the couple is about to start their family soon? Well, friends, marriages are quite in these days in Bollywood. It is to be seen if it encourages Salman Khan to say yes for marriage or not. Let us see which Bollywood star is to marry next. Maybe Katrina Kaif? Let us know your opinion in comment section below. For the juicy gossip and hot news of Bollywood, subscribe our channel and stay in touch.